Hey, how are you doing here? Welcome back. And today we're not going to talk about coffee. I'm going to take a break from coffee first. Now we're going to dive deep into watches. I'm wearing a Casio CA53W. So let's take a closer look at the Casio calculator watch. Since I don't have a Back to the Future shirt, I'm just gonna wear my leather. I'm going to talk about the Casio calculator watch. So this is mga paborito kong relo because it's very slim, very light, and it's barely there, you know, when you're doing something, when you're typing, playing games. Very lightweight. It has a slim profile. So you may know it from Back to the Future, worn by Marty McFly. Breaking Bad, worn by Walter White. And for the nerdy geeks out there like me, worn by Rajesh in Big Bang Theory. It has an alarm, dual time, stopwatch, month, day, and date feature. Okay, so let's try this on, and I'll show you how it looks on my 6.5-inch wrist. Okay, a little more tug. Yeah. Nice. Good. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like it. And if you don't, there's a thumbs down button there. Okay lang. If you haven't subscribed yet, so please do so. Okay, select the main pusher. First one is calculator and then alarm, followed by dual time and stopwatch. If you want to start it, you press the plus button. And also press it again if you want to stop it. For lap and reset, you press 0. Okay, if you press it again, it will go back to the main time and it will show the day. So to set it, you press the recessed pusher and press the main pusher to cycle to the time. Here you can cycle the day, the month, the day, the year. And for the calculator, just press the numbers and the equivalent symbols. So here I'm doing 1 plus 1. Okay, it's good. Tama. For alarm, if you want to switch off the alarm, you press number 4. So it says there, alarm on and off. So it's the same as how you would change the time. You hold the recessed pusher and then the main pusher to cycle through the time. And that's it. And if you learned something new, please share it with your friends, your boyfriend, your husband, or even your tito. Thank you very much to my 192 subscribers. You know who you are. Salamat ng marami. Consider you my YouTube friends. So shout out to my Facebook friends. Friends are friends. You know, saan na kayo? Subscribe na. And for all the gamers out there, if you like to watch something funny, nostalgic, gaming videos, please follow Tito Gaming on Facebook. And that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.